To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, tap on your profile picture located next to your name. Now tap the camera icon located just below your profile picture. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Select Create AI Image from the options. If you would like to imagine something about yourself, type a text prompt describing what would like the AI to generate. Otherwise, remove Me from the existing prompt, and you will see some suggested prompts. You can choose any of these, or type your own prompt to describe what you want the AI to generate. Then, tap the arrow button to continue. The AI will generate 3 images for you. If you're not satisfied with any of them, you can regenerate a new image. Choose the one you like the most. Finally, tap the green checkmark icon to confirm. Your profile photo will then be updated with the AI-generated image. So that's how you can create and set an AI-generated image as your WhatsApp profile picture.